How can you make McDonald's hot and deliciously juicy quarter pounder even more delicious? One word. Bacon. A new fresh beef quarter pounder bacon begins. 2 new ways to leave you speechless. Pair it with any size soft drink.
Evacuation order for Brilla County and the city of Bismarck and surrounding areas. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Bismarck Police Department and the Brilla County Emergency Management. Multiple riots have been happening in this area, causing an explosion has happened near Bismarck. Leave Brilla County and Bismarck for your safety. Refusal to leave will put you in danger. Evacuation centers are set at the close and camps that are not in Brilla County. I repeat, evacuation order for Brilla County and the city of Bismarck and surrounding areas. Evacuate now or else you will be in danger.